Glory be to God. Like, comment, share. Welcome to Carter's Eat. Vogue Glam Glasses in the description box below. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Everybody got to eat but me. That's the way I like it. Make sure everybody happy and fed. I need a knife, Daddy-o.
You need a knife?
Yes, sir. Lord bless the food about to receive nourishment by Christ's sake's name. Amen. How's your day? What are you eating on? Y'all see how we made it? I don't know what we've been waiting on. I don't know why it took us so long. We keep sandwich meat at the house. We keep lettuce on hand. Sometimes I'm just not thinking. So here's our viral TikTok grinder bomb. And with those potato chips on top. Right now it's better than Subway. Subway. Now Jersey Mike's has the best bread. So fresh. I like the feta cheese. It's worth making. Like me, I was like, oh, this is cold cuts. It is. But it's the combination. In your mouth, it's so good. It's full of Thank you, members. Shout out to all my Slay Timber sisters. Special prayers to my sister Tony from Miss Louisiana Housewife. I love you. And welcome. Banana bread. We were able to salvage one more minute. And in that minute, I'm going to say my goodbyes. And say thank you for watching. Again, not long. Y'all hang in there. We're killing the Slay Timber agenda. Search the hashtag Slay Timber. And you'll see all my sisters out there killing it. If I remember what I had to tell you, I'll put it right there. I can't remember.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough.